Alright, so today's quick video is going to be on how to install a quick release steering wheel on a 2013 Subaru Brz. This is what the stock steering wheel looks like. We got an NRG quick release and hub and assembly that we're going to be putting on instead. Alright, so the first step is going to be to disconnect the battery. This way that your airbag doesn't come off as soon as you start trying to unplug it or mess with it or anything. So that's usually a 10 millimeter on both sides. You want to disconnect it from both sides and then you should be good to start. Alright, so the first step to getting the steering wheel off, there's 3 of these little holes. There's one here, one at the bottom, and then one on the other side. You're going to push those in with a Phillips head screwdriver, and then once you push those in, they're spring release, so as soon as you click it, it'll take it off, and then this center piece of the airbag is going to pop right out. That'll give you access to all the wires and everything else that you need to take off before you take the hub bolt off. For these two, the orange and the black, there's a little yellow thing up at the top. You're going to pry that up either with a knife or a flathead screwdriver, and then they should come right off. Alright, so now that we got the 17, we're going to go ahead and break the nut so that we can go ahead and loosen it. After you loosen it, you're going to bust the nut real quick. So you're going to want to make sure you loosen it, but don't loosen it all the way and take the bolt off, because when you go to jerk the steering wheel off, you'll punch yourself in the face when it finally does release. Now that it's loosened most of the way, we can go ahead and pull back, and then that will make sure that it doesn't come up and punch you in the face once you get it done. So go ahead and pull it back.
Nigga, it's not working. You got to restart.
You're going to have to really pull on it, jerk it back and forth. There you go.
Is that good enough for you, nigga?
Punch it a little bit. Yeah, sometimes it's going to be a little bit of a pain in the ass. Alright, so now we got the hub on. Basically, we're just tightening this up, and then once we tighten this up, we can go ahead and bolt the rest of the hub on for the quick release so that the steering wheel can click onto that. Alright, so now we got the hub on. Basically, we're just tightening this up, and then once we tighten this up, we can go ahead and bolt the rest of the hub on for the quick release so that the steering wheel can click onto that. Putting this on, there should be 6 little bolts that you're going to be putting on like this, and then they all go on with an Allen key, and then we should be able to bolt the steering or connect the steering wheel right onto the hub. Alright, so now we got the hub connected and also the quick release, and now we got the steering wheel already connected, so as soon as we are ready, we can go ahead and just click it on. You're going to twist it and then make sure everything's straight. Just like that. There you go. Looks pretty good. Alright, so it's all in now. Everything should be good. Got the quick release NRG steering wheel. It's a little bit longer. As you can tell, it kind of sticks out a little bit further. But most of the time you're going to get that with an aftermarket steering wheel. But it looks really good in this interior. Alright, so stay tuned for more videos. We got more coming with the Miata and also the BRZ.
Peace out, Girl Scout.
Peace out.